everybody, Swizzlestick here. I just got off of work, so I'm looking a hot mess. This is take 2 of a video that I tried to do a little while ago, but it didn't really work out because I kept screwing my math up. This video is about some different mathematical multiplication methods that I found that I find to be way easier than the way we were taught in school. So I'm going to take the camera off of the suitcase and bring it down to the floor where I got my pen and paper. I got my nerd glasses on. These are the glasses I normally wear on a day-to-day basis just so I could see out of my eyes. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you 2 different methods. The first one is the lattice multiplication method, and the second one is the Egyptian multiplication method. It was a method that the Egyptians used for centuries, and I don't know actually of an instance where these methods don't work. I've only tried it with a few combinations. So I don't really know. I'm taking these glasses off. No, I'm not. I'm blind as hell. I don't know of an instance where these methods don't work. But if you find one, I mean, leave a comment below so that I'll know, and everybody else will know too. At the end, let me know which method you prefer. Like, share to the world your newfound knowledge, and subscribe if this video interests you. This video is a little different from the videos that I'm going to be doing. I don't typically do educational videos, let alone on math. Math is my worst subject of all, which is why I found these methods to be really, really great, because math is my worst subject, and if I don't have a calculator, then I'm screwed, because I'm going to screw up somewhere in addition or something. So I'm going to now take the computer off the suitcase onto the floor where we can watch my amazing mathematical abilities. See, there, I got my suitcase right there where I've been filming my videos. Alright, so the reason that I'm making this video again is because it was really difficult for me to focus the camera on the piece of paper and write at the same time. I also was not writing dark enough, so it was really hard to read. But I'm going to try a little harder. I've got a little bit more practice with the camera, so I'm going to be able to hopefully work this out a little bit better. We're going to be doing 2 equations today, 24 times 16 and 123 times 321. Let me go ahead and write that out for you so you know what it looks like. I'm going to first show you the method we all grew up with in America. Freaking Americans teaching us the way we're supposed to be doing things. So I have 24 times 16. Alright. The way we've been doing it is we've been stacking it. And we learned at an early age what each combination of these single numbers are. For instance, 6 times 4 is 24. We know that right off the bat because we were taught at such an early age, and it's just ingrained permanently in our memory, even though I forget all the time. So just going to add those in. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14, so that's 144. Put a 0 down there. Some people put an X, some people just write it off to the side and just skip a space. Frankly, I like the placeholder because I always screw up with math. I always have to write these big math problems or else I screw up. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, and then you add these together. I'm going to zoom in here. 144 times 240, so let's see, 4, 8, 3. 384 is 24 times 16. Alright, so that's our base number, 384. We're going to need that later. Alright, so 123 times 321. Again, we stack it. And at this point, it becomes a little obnoxious because it takes up so much space. Which the other ones do take up space, but they're a little easier to work with because you don't have any multiplication to do whatsoever. It's just all addition. So, again, it's going to be 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 1. Obviously, 1 times 123 is 123. 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. And 0, 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 3. No, 3 times 1 is 3. Again, just got off work. I'm tired. Then you add it all up. 8. That's 14. That's 9. And that's 3. So 39,483 is our final result. Alright, so these are the methods that I do not like. Or this is the method that I do not like. The typical American stacking. Let's call this American stacking. Nobody likes this method. It's terrible. Alright, but I'm about to make your day. This next one is called lattice method. You may have seen this one before. I know I saw it, I think, once before. I saw it again today. But again, we're going to start off 24 times 16. Alright, and basically what we're going to be doing is drawing lines. Okay, I'm going to pause the video just for a minute. I know I said I'd never edit this, but I am going to get my cheat sheet so I don't screw up again, because I know I screwed up with the last video that I made concerning this. So let me just pause.